audio?
There's audio on a lot of slides.
Is it this one with the audio?
No. Not this one. It's the one with videos. Like this one. This one. Oh wait. Yeah, that one has audio.
Can we check? So there is an audio for this slide. Can we try to understand if we're receiving it?
Yeah, that's great.
Can we please put the slide number 1? And Adi, it's okay for us as well. We're happy to. It's me. No, it's if you want to rehearse,
Yeah.
this is your time.
Amazing. And then, is there a way I can mute stuff easily too?
No, that's just like, I'm sorry, I'm not that magician. But I mean, you just can click
I'll
the
just skip
next
past it.
step.
Yeah. So is it just screen forward?
Yeah.
And then back?
Yes, and this one is the laser. So,
Oh. Oh, nice.
Okay, if you want to rehearse, this
Yeah.
is your time.
You got it.
And let us know when we're finished. But try to make it quick, alright? Because I have the guys
Oh,
that
sure.
are ready to do it.
All right, so let's see, this is going to be the next 5 years ahead. All right, so a little bit about the overview. We're going to be going